Replacing a door might seem like a straightforward task, but when it comes to ensuring long-lasting performance, energy efficiency, and security, professional installation is key. In Salt Lake City, with its unique climate and architectural variety, expert door replacement services can make all the difference. Here's why professional installation is essential for door replacement in this region. Tailored solutions for Salt Lake City's climate. Salt Lake City experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, from snowy winters to scorching summers. Improperly installed doors can lead to drafts, energy loss, and discomfort in your home. A professional installer understands the local climate and uses techniques and materials designed to withstand these conditions. For example, the cold winters require doors with tight seals to prevent heat loss, while the hot summers demand UV-resistant finishes to prevent warping or fading. Professional installation ensures that your new door is not only a perfect fit but also optimized for energy efficiency, helping you save on heating and cooling costs. Enhanced curb appeal and value. Salt Lake City is known for its diverse architecture, from historic homes to modern designs. A poorly installed door can diminish your property's curb appeal and even lower its resale value. Professionals have the expertise to ensure that your new door complements your home's style and enhances its overall appearance. Whether you're installing a traditional wooden door for a vintage home or a sleek steel door for a contemporary look, experts ensure the door aligns seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. Their precision and attention to detail can make your property stand out in the neighborhood. Maximized security. Your door is a critical component of your home's security system. An improperly installed door can leave gaps or weak points that intruders can exploit. Professional installers ensure that the door, frame, and locks are installed to manufacturer specifications, providing optimal strength and resistance to tampering. In Salt Lake City, where homeowners value peace of mind, professional installation is crucial for doors that offer top-tier security. From reinforcing strike plates to ensuring a snug fit, experts leave no room for vulnerabilities. Longevity and durability. Replacing a door is an investment, and you want it to last for years to come. DIY installations or hiring an inexperienced contractor can lead to issues like misalignment, improper sealing, or even damage to the door itself. These problems not only shorten the lifespan of your door but also increase maintenance and repair costs over time. Professional installers use advanced tools, proven techniques, and high-quality materials to ensure that your door is installed correctly the first time. This precision reduces wear and tear, prolonging the life of your door and giving you a better return on your investment. Warranty protection. Many door manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties often require professional installation to remain valid. Attempting a DIY installation or using unqualified installers can void the warranty, leaving you unprotected if something goes wrong. By hiring professionals for door replacement in Salt Lake City, you ensure that your investment is covered. In addition, many professional installers offer their own warranties on labor, giving you added peace of mind. Customized features and options. Salt Lake City homeowners often seek unique features in their doors, such as energy-efficient glass panels, smart locks, or custom designs. Professional installers are skilled at handling these customizations, ensuring they are integrated seamlessly and function as intended. Their expertise ensures that even the most complex installations are completed efficiently and correctly, giving you the features you want without the hassle. Local expertise you can trust. Hiring a local professional in Salt Lake City means working with someone who understands the community's needs. They're familiar with local building codes, permitting requirements, and the specific challenges posed by the region's climate. This local knowledge ensures a smooth installation process and a result that meets both aesthetic and functional standards. Conclusion: professional installation matters for door replacement in Salt Lake City because it guarantees quality, security, and efficiency. With local expertise, access to high-quality materials, and attention to detail, professional installers ensure your new door enhances your home's beauty, functionality, and value. Don't take chances with something as important as your home's entryway. Choose professional installation for a seamless and stress-free experience.